Hi guys, RaceToyTime here. Today I'm going to show you this Lego Duplo, my first construction site. Make sure to watch all the way to the end because we're going to open some surprise eggs. And this set comes with 43 pieces. You can build a bulldozer and a dump truck. Sounds fun, so let's open up the box and let's get started. These are the pieces, and it comes with two figures. These are the construction workers. So let's get started and let's build the bulldozer. Now let's build the dump truck. The construction worker is dumping some blocks. Let's see what he's going to build. It's a building. Looks like they're going to build something. Let's check it out. Oh, what do you think it is? Let's see. I know what it is. It's a crane. Here comes the bulldozer dump truck. And they're carrying some surprise eggs. Let's go check it out. Ooh, we got Thomas! This is cool. Next egg, we got a Vively minion. Here comes another eggs. Let's see what's inside. Oh, we got a spooky Percy. Percy looks like a mummy. Hey, we have Crow Minion. Okay, let's see what we have here. We have Spooky Emily. Okay, let's go check out the other egg. we have the board Silly Bob. More eggs. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Hey, we have Dash. Okay, next egg. Let's see what kind of minion we have here. Oh, we have the vampire minion or the gun baby minion. I think these are the last two eggs. Let's go check them out. Oh, we got Spooky Salty here. He looks like a pirate. Last egg, let's see what we got. Oh, we have Bob. Okay, let's put all the figures right here. Thomas and Friends figures and the minions. Alright, these are the figures we got from the surprise eggs. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe, stay tuned, and check out our fun videos here at RaceToyTime. Thank you for watching!